Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.
We've got a big act in store for you next, another big act straight from Taiwan as well. I don't know if you've heard of these folks, but they're waiting right here in the wings. I'm going to have you introduce yourselves. What's your name?
Okay, my name is MC Gawi. Hello everyone!
Hi everyone, I'm Kay. Hello, 大家好. Alright, let's welcome them one more time. They're straight from Taiwan.
We come from Taiwan. We made in Taiwan.
Made in
Put your
Taiwan.
hands in the air like this. Come on.
Come on.
High five, high five. Come on. High five, high five, high five, high five, high five. Come on.
Oh,
High five, want to hear me out？ 你知道我是土生土长台湾制造。
oh.
High five, want to hear me out？
不要嗨翻了才说我们没有警告。
Come on, high five, want to hear me out？ 你知道我是土
台湾制造。
High five, want to hear me out？
你猜怎么着？
你该轻松的点播这首好音乐，有台北堂的马克听了就好亲切，因为批判跳动二胡，蠢蠢欲动古筝手，心在拨弄触动你的笑容。我是 VIP 拿 MIC 头皮来自 MIT 创意要创建创造 Top 的 ID， 有兴趣的伙伴你就喊声哟，中心混了搅拌，加油 ，Let's go！ Top TOFAVE Round Soul。在我的背面 ，Say Lady One Lady Ho High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你知道我是土生土长台湾 ，Come on High Five Want to Hear Me Out？
不要嗨翻了才说我们没有警告。
Come on High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你知道我是土生土长台湾至少 High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 我有个嘻哈，
你猜怎么着
When I say Hi, you say Five Hi。
？Five. When I say hi, you say five. Hi. Okay.
路数是峨眉配武当，手中的国乐器是老妹们的武装，五方人马要尊我的心中，百姓说太妃堂是我的行宫。78大，听我的音乐请唱，听我的技巧，不要再计较，开上的旗袍露的韵脚，看我徐志摩的劝君眼睛也是。让太妃堂的太子妃子来逗你开心。
啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
是有没有这么无聊？放开我的背面 ，Say Lady One Lady Ho High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你知道 Put your hands in the air Come on High Five Want to Hear Me Out？
不要嗨翻了才说我们没有警告。
Come on High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你知道我是土生土长台湾至少 High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 我有个嘻哈。
你猜怎么着
High Five Want to Hear Me Out？
？High five, want to hear me out? Come on, come on.
High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你知道我是土生土长台湾制造 High Five Want to Hear Me Out？
不要嗨翻了才说我们没有警告。
High Five Want to Hear Me Out？
你知道
Come on, come on, High Five Want to Hear Me Out？ 你猜怎么着 ？Thank you.
Thank you.
Second song. When I say cheese, you say cheese, say cheese.
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 One more time. When I say cheese, you say cheese, say cheese.
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 Let's say cheese.
She's a bridesmaid. You love it? No, Sonia's wedding. Like what? You don't even know your best friend. No, I'm saying what were you doing? Their wedding's in November.
Let's cheese， 让你回味，因为开心是消费。We come back， 露出你的笑脸，张开你的嘴，别让牙齿出去装水。台湾的笑脸跟阿萨一起入味，就算废柴买秀出去趴会，看上六十不合适 OK， 跟我们一起唱着歌词，梦想一起追。张开你的创意无极限，保持年轻的心没有往出期限，人生只有一次，要好好体验。踏步向前，乐观迎接每一天，快乐笑声你总飞得好远好远，开心的音乐微笑，好甜好甜，一起面对所有考验，欢迎加入我们一起冒险，一起 起冒险。
现在的梦想再难再远，有你陪着我去追，有一个微笑就能改变世界。Say cheese，
来，
就是这样，勇敢去冒险。
Say cheese，
生命去闯。
Say cheese，
你的笑容充满魔法。
now，
来吧，是希望。
哦，
来吧，一起飞吧。
飞吧，一起飞吧，一起飞吧。
跌倒的伤口，迷失的街头，理想和现实已经迷失了好久，怎么继续往前走？抬起头看看天空，你说是一个人的，还有我陪着，是过了明天会放晴的。力量是有你我他，不管梦想有多大，我们一起出发。现在的梦想再难再远，陪着去追，有一个微笑就能改变世界。
Say cheese，
就是这样。
我们看，我们看。Say cheese，
Say cheese， 你的笑容充满魔法。
now，
来啊，相信我。
come on，
来
come on，
啊，一起飞吧。
Say cheese， 一起飞吧，一起飞吧。
失落的时候不用后退，所有的烦恼一起面对，在这个世界没有绝对，它只是
Come on， everybody，
一起飞。
Say cheese，
就是这样。
Say cheese，
Nice。
Say cheese，
你的笑容充满魔法。
now，
来啊，现希望。
come on，
来啊，一起飞。
Say cheese，
就是这样。
快点就是这样 ，come on，Say cheese， 一起拍手，一起拍 ，Say cheese， cheese， come on，come on。 Six，
Thank you.
The hairstyle's what throws me off. Like K-pop boy band look, you know? You look like you should have like a Taiwan.
Okay, before you guys go, how was that, you guys? Cheese?
Yes, say cheese.
Double
Say
cheese.
cheese，
Double cheese?
Yeah.
So I want to keep them here for just a quick second so you can learn a little bit more about them. What was your inspiration for starting this and getting together?
我们大概，那你讲。
其实我们的乐团是由中国传统乐器，有二胡、古筝跟琵琶一起组合而成的，所以大家可以听到我们刚才的音乐里面会有一些很奇特的乐器的声音，对。然后我们，可是今天只有我们两个主唱来这边，对。
So just for a quick translation, they actually have multiple members, but they had to reduce people just because of travel costs and logistics. But they only have 2 out of the whole group, and they're representing a lot of different sounds.
And a lot of it you might have been able to hear some traditional infused with modern, and so that's what makes it such a special sound. Any last thing you want to say about what your plans are? Where we can see you? Are you online?
我们现在在台湾，我们有一个对，我们会有个接下来会有跟一个很有名的台湾的零食叫做可乐果，这个零食做一个合作，然后会就是会有一些露出，然后大家之后就会在电视上看到我们。
Cool. They're on a TV show actually coming up, and they're actually partnering up with another famous artist. And if you guys watch any of the Chinese-speaking TV, you should be able to see them and catch them on TV one of these days.
好，再次谢谢我们的高一跟 K， 重头戏要来了。
So madman material. You know what I mean? So madman. It's like.
All right, you guys. So that was an opening act for. Have you guys heard of Nas, the rapper, the hip hop artist? Thank you over there. Thank you. Thank you. You're the same guy who was dancing on stage. I recognize you. That's the kind of attitude I'm looking for here.
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.